animals.
From ourselves?
Yeah, do you want to go ahead and make them?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, good job. The pack came with the instructions, the stickers. This is for the cow, this is for the duck, and this is for the horse. And we got some balloons. Okay, so we'll go ahead and start blowing the balloons from there. Let me see the chicken. Ooh, wow.
Open.
Open it.
Open.
For the chicken, we have a crown and a nose. Yes. We have to put it on the head and on the nose, okay? Ready?
But the nose.
Yeah.
Head.
We need the mouth.
Chicken. Mouth.
Let me see.
Honey, mommy.
Okay. Just a second. Good job. Oh, wow. Let me see the chicken. Nice. That's a cool chicken. Do you want to go ahead and make the horse now?
Yeah.
So Rohaan, we have the moo, which is a cow, and the neigh, which is a horse. Which one do you want to do first?
I can move.
You want to do the moo first?
Yeah.
Okay, grab the moo.
Oh, I can move.
Grab it. What are you going to put first?
A mouse. Horse.
What's next? There you go. Nice. So the ears go on the sides. So go ahead. One. Okay, and the second one. Oh, wow! Righty, last but not least, the horsey.
Whoa, what?
Here's the hair. Here are the two ears.
It's open.
And the mouth. Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
So proud of you. Good. That's a nice horse. Is that your buddy?
Bye-bye, horse.
Chicken! Did you have fun making the farm animals?
Yeah.
What you doing to the cow? Oh no! Oh no! There's the cow! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh! I don't think a real cow would let you do that to it. Okay, bye-bye.
No, bye-bye.
Oh, it's time for lunch?